Alright, today we're going to talk about how to create a YouTube thumbnail, something like this, using a program called Snapseed. And the way it works is you actually need to start with an image. So I'm going to go to open and I'm going to find an image. Boom. And this is an original image here of what it looked like when I took it. And let's double check, make sure we're recording. And we are. That's great. So now I've got the image I want. The first thing you need to do is crop the image to be TV or format it to be HD. So I'm gonna go to crop, which is on the second row here, and I'm gonna go to 16:9. And what it does is it takes out the tops and the bottoms. You can, pull it in as much as you want to if you want to focus on a smaller part. I'm gonna keep my image pretty wide, so I'm gonna pull it all the way out to fit like it was, and I'm gonna pull it up just enough to where I can see that 20. Hit the checkbox, and then we're going to go to vignette to add a vignette, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller here. And what I'm looking at is I want room at the top and at the bottom to write some words, and the vignette circle in the middle shows you where it's going to be bright. Okay, and then you drag to the left and it makes it darker around the edges of that circle as much as you want. So I'm going to hit the check box there, and then you can add any effects you want. I'm just going to add a couple. I'm going to do grainy film look. I like that, and I'll check it off there. And then I'll also add a grunge look to kind of give it a rough and tumble feel. And that grunge, I'm gonna change the texture strength a little bit less to be something like that. Now that you got that, I like to add a frame, and there's plenty of frames you can pick from. I'm just gonna go with this one. I like this one, but I like the edges of it where it's white, where it gives it that rustic look. So I'm gonna pull it in just to where it's there, and you can see the white worn out edges there. And I'm gonna hit check here to make it save. I'm gonna go back to tools. I'm gonna select text. Now we can type our text over it, and this text is gonna be for this image, and I'm gonna make it say Friday night. Hit OK, and you can put that there just like that, and you got room. You can put it at the top too. That's where that vignette was so helpful. We can put it up here because we darkened out all the edges. And now you just hit the check to save it, and then you would go to your share option here, and you can actually save a copy, which is what I like to do. And then you can always undo those changes later if you wanted to. So you tap that, and what Snapseed will do is it'll save it. Now you've got an image that is perfect for YouTube in terms of the resolution being 16:9 to fit perfectly as a thumbnail. And you've got the words that you want for the title of your particular video with a little stylized effect from your picture, all using Snapseed. Thank you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, leave some comments in the comment section below, and let me know what you think. Thanks.